Good luck, guys. Oh, oh. Look at me go. Now I don't have to lift it into my trailer. How's it going? Well, we haven't seen this guy in a while. I did a time lapse of me yanking this into the garage, out of the yard and into the garage with my tractor, my Kia, and I keep thinking about putting a winch on the hitch of my Kia. What do you think about that idea? Should we do a winch install? I don't know if it's worth it because I just yank everything with my nylon tow strap, $20. So, we got this guy back in, and what I wanted to do first to make some progress was pull the front suspension apart and then drop the K. I bought a TubeK and everything that I showed everybody in one of my other videos, but probably long since forgotten. So I have a TubeK, coilovers, A-arms, Maximum Motorsports A-arms, a bunch of really awesome things. So I'll start pulling this out, and then we will put the TubeK in, and then hopefully, you know, it doesn't fall off the lift while we do that. I probably shouldn't say it out loud. So I'll take the tires and stuff off, and then we'll see how it goes. And then I got to start ripping most of this wiring out. And then I have a little bit of frame rail rust to fix over there. And then, yeah, I got to start. I don't need, like, majority of this wiring, I'm assuming, so I got to pull it back. And then I got to buy, well, I'm going to do the tube and everything else so I can steer the car. And then I gotta buy the tube front end, like a Rock Solid Motorsports I've been eyeing up, and some other ones. So let me know what you guys think, like Team Z, Rock Solid Motorsports. There's another one my friend sent me that he said is pretty good also. I kind of like the Team Z one because it has like the weld-in and the locators and everything else, because I'm not that great at making sure all that stuff is lined up, and I want to throw it in and burn it in myself. So I guess I'll start tearing this apart, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so here's a funny one. I started ripping everything apart, and I started taking the hub, spindle, like McPherson's, this isn't a McPherson strut. I started taking the strut out and everything else, and I'm like, Matt, what are you doing? I just have to unbolt the shock, and it'll all drop out. So, yeah, I don't know why I started doing that. So I just have to I have to unbolt the steering. I can drop the whole thing. I don't really want to take the steering rack off now. I feel like it'll just be easier to drop it as one unit and start getting the other one up just to so I think I just need to pull these, and then I think I'm clear. I put the brake lines, I zip tied the calipers up, so this should all be able to fall down in between everything. At least that's what I'm aiming for. So we'll see. Well, ladies and gents, I got my very special personal assistant, the trash can, to help me on this adventure. Oh, I want to get these ABS sensors out. I actually probably will use those for traction control. So, these take like a weird inverted star bit. Oh, I have it. First guess? Are you kidding me? We definitely are. We're rolling today. Oh no, that's like all strippy. Oh no. It's even smaller than that. A quarter. A quarter inverted star. Maybe a 12 point will fit on it. Here is a 1/4 inch. Like, you ever see one of these? Jamie got them for me. This video is sponsored by TubeA Studios. This is like when stuff's stripped out and they don't work. The pins help you grab stuff. You see how that works? Oh boy. Oh, it came off. It worked, guys, it worked. It's like a totally rusted out, not a 1/4 inch star bit, and it's coming out. It is rusty, but it's coming out. This is so exciting, I know. I want these though. I don't want to buy ones either. They're probably like, they're either 18 or 75 bucks, I bet. Nowhere in between. Now can I pry them out without exploding? Oh. Let's dead blow them with an extension, and if they break, they break. Oh. Partially came loose. Tech Tip Tuesday. I think it is Tuesday. Matter of fact. Hope I didn't bust nothing. Oh, alright. Toss it up over the caliper. I want to try to get the other one off. I'll BRB. This is going to take too long. So they both came out. A little bit of tapping. And I believe the K member is completely separated from the vehicle. We're going to find out real quick. And we're right. Look at that. That's the way to do it, guys. Man, I've done this on the floor and jack stands, and I gotta admit, this is pretty nice. Man, this is so heavy. I can't believe my trash can's holding it up. I forgot. These, oh, wow. That's really heavy. I'm gonna just have to tumble it into the woods out here. Brake rotors. Holy moly. I think what I'm gonna do is try to, I'm gonna keep this box for nuts and bolts. I'm gonna like, should we do this? Like, ghost ride this thing onto the cardboard box to absorb some of the ridiculousness. I mean, once I get it over that edge, she's just gonna ride, and I think I'll just pick up my trash. We ready for the stupidity? I mean, I don't think you guys are gonna want to pick this stuff up. Oh, you know what we should do? We'll go get my trailer. We'll blow it right into the trailer so I don't have to pick it up to scrap it. Whew. Okay, I think we're going to try to get that a little closer. Oh, I got to get the steering rack out. I forgot I need like my hubs in the rack. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to replace them, but I don't have anything else right now. So, good luck, guys. Look at me go. Now I don't have to lift it into my trailer.